terrible.
Well, it's gonna make people.
Socks.
Why are you so convinced with socks?
Now stand up.
I was gonna say something
Say,
really
I'm a
stupid.
retard.
Okay.
Should I say
And
I'm a
open up
retard?
your custom made blanket. Now turn around, let me see it. Turn around, let me see it.
Show us.
It's a blanket. It's a street. It's a street. It's a street.
Yeah.
Street.
Let me see your face.